Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a Snapchat account without phone number and email. If you want to create a Snapchat account and you don't want to enter your email or phone number, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Snapchat app and here just tap on sign up and here just enter your name if you want. As I'm going to enter this one, then tap on agree and continue. Here just enter your date of birth and I'm going to enter randomly this one, just enter it, then tap on continue. Here select continue again and here you just have to set a password as I have entered. Now tap on continue and here you have to enter your Gmail account, but I'm going to enter a temporary email, so let's see how. Just open your browser, go for search and just search for a website which is temp mail. Just search for this, open the first website here. It will give you a temporary email address here and you can easily use that. So you just have to wait for its loading and here you can see the email has been created. Just tap on copy to copy your email and here your email inbox. So I have copied my email, so just open your Snapchat. Here just paste your copied email just like that, then tap on continue. And here you have to skip this one, which is enter your phone number. So that's how you can easily create your Snapchat account without using email or phone number. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.